currently looking a mess, and my house is just the same. So I'm gonna show you guys what they delivered yesterday and what the house looked like now. But I'm not gonna be putting things away today. I'm gonna go to the furniture store and check out some stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys what the house looked like now, which is a disaster, by the way. And so we can see where we at, and then I'm gonna go to the furniture store with you guys. So this is the master bedroom. They already set up the bed for us. Let me zoom out. They already set up the bed for us. So this is what everything looks like right now. My daughter. And then so when the no, I'm not here. Daddy's in the room and I'm not here when I come back. Alright, so what the movers did, they've set up the beds for us, put the couches out and things like that. So that's why the bed's already up. That's why I'm not gonna put the bed up in the camera for you guys. So yeah, this is what the room looked like, an overview of the room. Look how big this room is. Do you guys remember this couch? This couch was in my former living room, and now the whole thing with the table fit in the master bedroom. So this is the bed, and then I have to go and check out rods for the room. We're gonna change fins. We're gonna change a bunch of things in this room. That's why I wanted to show you guys what everything looks like now. We have to paint over this. This is the bathroom. Everything is all over the place. You guys know what moving is like. So we have some clothes here. The reason why there's clothes are here because the master closet is right here. So they put the clothes here. And I'll show you guys the master closet already in the other video. So that's why these ones are here. We have trash here. These are for the TV. We have some stuff here. And then that's gonna be the family room. You can see outside from here. Yeah, so like I said, the house is a mess, but you guys know what it's like when you're moving. So that's what it looks like right now. And then if you go upstairs, the kids' bed's already up too. So let me show you guys. So that's what it looks like. We have some stuff for their bathroom in here. This is what I'm gonna use as my office, makeup room, dressing room, whatever you wanna call it.
You got this room, the closet where you put towels.
That's the linen closet. And then that's the kids' bathroom. While I'm outside today, I need to grab some shower curtain for them so they can start showering in their own bathroom.
And this is the air vent.
You guys will be fine. Spiders doesn't hurt, it doesn't bite. So this is my my daughter's room.
Welcome.
And like I said, they set up bed and furnitures and stuff what they have to set up. And then we just have to put the rest of the things away. My son's room, same thing. He has some box down here. I already put some stuff in the closet for him. And this pool table, I told you guys that it came with the house, so we didn't have one. And then this right here, I'm gonna do like a setup for them, like the basement. They're gonna have TV stuff too. There's gonna be a couch here and things like that. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the store, check out some stuff. I'm gonna take you guys with me, and when I get home or when they deliver them, I'll show you guys what I bought and what I got. And I'm also gonna go to Target, like I said. The kids, we decided that we're gonna send them to school since their school's open, so we're gonna send them to school. So I have to get some clothes for them to go to school. And yeah, like I said, shower curtain for them and some stuff for the bathrooms and see what we need. If they have anything that I like, then I'm gonna get some stuff at Target. If not, I'm probably gonna go to Burlington Cloth Factory. And then when I get back home, I'll show you guys a mini haul of what I got. All right, let's get there.
come out if I still tried. 'Cause I don't care as long as you're.
Alright, so now I am back home. I started cleaning out the bathroom. All the clothes in that box, in all the boxes, were right in the middle of the bathroom. I wanted to at least be comfortable in the bathroom. So I started tackling the clothes. I didn't really find anything at the store that day. So I went back the next day to check them out. So you guys will see what I got in the next video. But for now, I'm just gonna be putting the clothes away.
We gon' break up, then we make up. Act like we're gonna be friends. Blaze the fire, take me higher. Leave it all over again, all over again. Leave it all over again, all over again. Leave it all over again. We gon' break up, then we make up. Act like we're gonna be friends. Blaze the fire, take me higher. Leave it all over again, all over again. Leave it all over again, all over again. Leave it all over again. Leave it all over again. Leave it all We gon' break up, then we make up. Act like we're gonna be friends. Blaze the fire, take me higher. Leave it all over again, all over again. Leave it all over again, all over again. Leave it all over again. Leave it all over again.
Alright, so lastly, I wanted to start putting the shoes away. They had dropped them all over the place in the box, so I had to find all the matching pairs. But once I was done finding all the matching pairs, I just start putting them away. I didn't want to put them away one by one, didn't find the matching pairs. So I figured if I just match them on the floor, then put them away, then it'll be easier for me, which it was. So I wanted to say thank you so very much for stopping by today. Thank you so much for always supporting me, always coming back and support me, and I appreciate that so much. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe before you leave. Don't forget the notification bell, because that's the only way you know when I post a new video, so you can keep updating in the house. And then don't forget to like the video if you liked it, because that's the only way I know what kind of video to post. So thank you so much for stopping by today. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.